give us your prediction in the next month, perhaps more, about both these sectors.
Yes, 𝐖𝐞𝐥𝐜𝐴, where I come from, I'm a wealth management outfit, right? So I don't even onboard clients who say they don't have intergenerational wealth. So I'm looking at any sector from a 3-4 year perspective to create a relative performance to Nifty about 3 to 4% compounded after all cost of doing some degree of active management. That's my context. I'm not a sell side or a buy side analyst. Now coming to what do I expect? I again believe that defense is overbought. IT, I've been bullish on for the last 5-7 months. It underperformed for the first 3 months of me being bullish. After that, it has done well relative to Nifty. So all my sector calls are just with an objective of beating Nifty 4-5% compounded on a yearly basis. I think that if you are a short-term trader, then there is enough opportunity at a stock level rather than a sector level in India. If you look at this year as well, like calendar year FY25, like most indices have the best performing and the worst performing stock, almost 104% divergent in Nifty. One of the best stocks in Nifty was 66% up. The worst stock of Nifty was 35% down. And in mid cap, the difference was 120%. In small cap, the difference was 240% between the best stock of the same index and the worst stock of the same index. So I personally think if you are doing any short-term trade, you have enough opportunity on bottom-up stock rather than sector if it's a short-term trade. So I think there are several stocks in the NSE where they are sold, but DII is buying. So if you can, I run a strategy where you try and see which are the stocks which are at 52-week low, where the top 10 fund managers have recently bought. Those stocks tend to outperform the index which they are a constituent of. And if you list down the 10 largest fund managers and then try and extrapolate which are the stocks they're buying which are at 52-week lows, if you run a beta strategy on them, you will realize that you will outperform the index substantively. So these are strategies which you can then superimpose derivative on to try and see if you can create a higher beta and monetize your conviction.